Our enterprise is a part of the pharmaceutical holding in Krasnoyarsk. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing the outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment independently, agreeing with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. After a partial modernization, we decided to produce a group form of throat lozenges, sealed in aluminum foil, the composition of which was developed by our Academy of Sciences. What was needed was a compact and safe unit with a simple and easy-to-understand method of operation. The equipment had to work in automatic mode. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material, and the ability to bulk pack 6 tablets as my main criteria. I first approached the company in Germany, who offered me automatic machines for bulk packaging, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not ready to wait. Another machine manufacturer in China offered me a 4-pack machine, but I was looking specifically for 6. I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest a different machine option. I looked on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. The manager of another company talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. After 5 days I got an email from them 10 options for different machines for batch sealing of tablets, and the offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in my search for equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The specialist requested that the aluminum foil in which the tablets were to be packed and the tablets themselves be sent for testing the equipment. The manager informed us 2 weeks prior to delivery about the degree of readiness of the machine. He mailed a video of our machine in action. The packaging process consists of feeding the tablets from both sides and compressing it tightly with aluminum foil coming in 2 reels. The aluminum foil is then automatically cut and formed into a group plate of 6 tablets each. The aluminum foil trimmings are wound onto a roll. Fully functional automatic equipment, easy to operate. 35 days after signing the contract, we received the machine. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the automatic equipment for packing tablets into aluminum foil, and within a week we had trained a worker who would be assigned to the machine. This gave us the opportunity to start the production of the co-packaged tablets 2 weeks earlier than planned. In the future, I plan to approach the manager of this company to purchase the analytical equipment that needs to be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. In the choice of any purchase, qualified advice is necessary. The project is sure to be successful if this advice was received from a professional.